Okay, students, for our lesson of today, let us look at the surface area of pyramids. Remember, we looked at very many examples of pyramids. For instance, we said that this is a triangular pyramid. Why? Because its base is a triangle. Then this one, we called it a square pyramid. Square pyramid. Because its base is a square. This one, we call it, yes, this one we call it a pentagonal pyramid because its base is a pentagon. Pentagonal pyramid. Okay, and this one, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one we call it hexagonal pyramid. Okay, now the idea of getting the surface area of the pyramid can be simplified when we get the net of this pyramid. For instance, let us consider this square pyramid. Its net will be like, we are having a square. We know a square, all sides are equal. Then we are having a triangle here, a triangle here, a triangle here, and another triangle here. Okay, and these triangles have the same height. In other words, the height is the same, the slant height. Okay, now, so if we need to find the total surface area, it means that we are going to find the area of each face that you can see here. We find the area of this square, and we know that area of a square is side times side. Then after that, we find the area of each triangle. You see, we need to find the area of each triangle. Then after that, we add all the areas. So in short, it's like when we talk about the total surface area, we will get the area of this square, this one, plus the area of this triangle, plus the area of this triangle, plus the area of this triangle, and the area of this triangle. In short, that's what it means. So if it is like number one, this one, which is a triangular pyramid, so find the area of all its faces. Okay, if it is this pentagonal pyramid, find the area of the pentagon and find the area of all triangles. You see, like this, it is a hexagonal pyramid. Find the area of the hexagon and the area of all other triangles. You add them together and you get the total surface area. That is all. If you do that, then what you have got, we call it the total surface area. Then also, something that is very, very important for us to know is that the area of these triangles, it is what we call the lateral area. Lateral area. Okay? And this one, it will be base area. Base area. So base area means the area of the base. The triangular pyramid, the base area will be area of a triangle. Square pyramid, base area will be area of a square. Pentagonal pyramid, base area will be area of the pentagon. Hexagonal pyramid, base area will be area of the hexagon. And the lateral area, it will be the area of triangles, because for all pyramids, all the side faces are triangles. So that's all about the surface area of pyramids. So just to give you a live example, I will give you two examples, but I understand that this should be able to let you know what surface area is and how to get it. Okay, let's have this example. Find the surface area of the square pyramid below. Now we have got a square pyramid. So it means that its base is a square. So if we try to come up with its net, let me try to come up with a sketch of its net. So it means that we are going to have a square that measures 14 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and 14 centimeters. Then next, we will have the faces. Have that, and we know that its slant height is 17 centimeters. So then we also have this one, and this one. Also, this is the slant height, 17 centimeters, 17 centimeters, and here also 17 centimeters. So now that is the net of this pyramid. Now we are going to find the surface area. Step one, find the base area. The base is a square. So we say that we need to know the base area. Base area, area of a square. So that is side times side, and that will be 14 times 14, and that will give us 196. Yes, it will give us 196 centimeters squared. 196 centimeters squared. Okay. Now, after that, we need to find what we call the lateral area. Lateral area. Remember, I told you what we call the lateral faces. So we get the lateral area. So the lateral area will be the area of all of these triangles. Okay. But then we need to first get area of one triangle. Area of one triangle, since we know that area, it is a half times the base times the height. Here we are using the slant height of 17. So we have a half times base times the slant height, this 17. So we are going to have a half times base will be 14 and the slant height is 17. You see that? Now, we can divide by 2, we get 1. By 2 here, we get 7. So we get 7 times 17. 7 times 17, that will give us 119 centimeters squared. But now, this is the area of one triangle, but we are having 4 triangles. So that's why we can multiply it by 4, okay? Because these are 4 triangles. So we get 119 times 4. So we get 476 centimeters squared. So this will be our lateral area. So to get the total surface area, now the surface area of the whole of this pyramid, we will get the base area plus the lateral area. So the total surface area will be the base area plus the lateral area. So that we get the base area of 196 plus the lateral area of 476, and we get the sum as 672 centimeters squared. So that is it. You just need to get the base area. If the base is a triangle, get area of a triangle. If the base is a rectangle, get area of a rectangle. If the base is a square, get area of a square. And of course, the lateral area, it will be the area of the triangles. That's all. You put them together and you get what we call the surface area. Let me give you another example. And this time, let's use a rectangular pyramid. Find the surface area. Find the surface area of the rectangular pyramid below. Okay, let's come up with its net right away. Since it is a rectangular pyramid, it means that the base is a rectangle. So we have to draw a rectangle. So for this rectangle, its length is 12 meters and its width is 8 meters. Okay, now let's have the triangles. We have this one here. We have this one here. Okay, this is equal to this one. And the slant height this side is 10 meters. 10 meters. And here we have 10 meters. Then we have this triangle that is equal to this triangle. So the slant height this side, it is 11 meters. And here 11 meters. Okay, so don't forget that even here is 8 meters and here is 12 meters. Okay, now let's find the base area. Base area will be the area of the rectangle. You know that is the length times width, so it will be 12 times 8. It will be 12 times 8, and that will give us 96 square meters. Okay, after that, we are going to get the lateral area. Now, for a rectangular pyramid, it is slightly different from the square pyramid because these triangles are not of the same height and they don't have the same base. So let's consider these green triangles. So it means that the lateral area will be, because these are two opposite, the green ones, these ones that I put in green. So we are going to say 2 times a half times the base is 12 meters and the slant height is 10. So that is for the green part. Then after that, we are going to add there these ones. Okay. 2 times a half times the base is 8 and the height is 11. So that is the slight difference. So these 2 will go with these 2. So here we get 120. And then these 2 will go with these 2 and we get 88. You see that? So this means that we are having 120 plus 88. So you get 120 and have 88. So this is 8, 10, write 0 and carry 1. And so that you get 208. So this means that the lateral area is 208 square meters. Okay, now let's get the total surface area. Total surface area, we know that it is base area, which is 96, plus the lateral area, which is 208. So let's have 208, we add there 96. Okay, you see 8 and 6 will make 14. Then we carry 1. 1 and 9 will make 10. We'll write a 0 and carry 1. 1 and 2 will make 3. So we come up with 304. 304 square meters as our total surface area. Now, I believe that you have got the whole idea of what we mean when we talk about the surface area. Okay, but be careful. Sometimes you may be told to find the base area alone. Sometimes you may be told to find the lateral area alone, or sometimes you may be told to find the total surface area or simply the surface area. So I hope this can help you. So thank you and please have a good